Greetings once again from Shelf Life Book Reviews. It's time for me to present to you a book that I have read, reviewed, and recommend. And today's book is The Essence of Invention, Medicine and the Joy of Creativity by Dr. Kieran Murphy. This is published by Dundurn Books. It retails for $23.99 in the United States, $28.99 in Canada, and it is 288 pages. If you like things to do with medicine, this book is a book that looks at the invention of certain medical procedures and ways that people are living longer. Many of the inventions in the book I have been part of. I've had a lot of things done. I've had a pacemaker put in. They talk about the pacemaker. They talk about cardiac catheterizations, which I've had done, and valves and different things, which I've had 2 valves replaced. So I took an extra interest in the book. Now, Dr. Murphy looks at a lot of the ways that medicine has evolved. There was a lot of experimentation hundreds of years ago, and people were sometimes guinea pigs, and they thought that this might help the person, but unfortunately it resulted in their earlier demise than was planned. But throughout the pages of the book, we find out bold new, inventions in the world of medicine. They talk about Dr. Banting and so many more. And there's an interesting piece about a gentleman. His name is Dr. Edgar Pask, and he was the first professor of anesthesiology at Newbridge University. And he was trying to perfect a life jacket for Spitfire pilots. So what he did was he anesthetized himself, and he was put in the jacket, and he was put face down in the water so he could float to see whether the life jacket would work and it would save pilots if they were downed in the water. And he was put on a ventilator, and he perfected this. He was the guinea pig. And unfortunately, he died in 1966 at the age of 63 from heart and lung disease. And they sort of thought, because of all his experimentations with lungs and breathing, that resulted in him dying earlier. So he really sacrificed himself for the betterment of medicine and society. There are so many other areas that are covered in the book, such as cataract surgery. There are, like I said, the pacemaker, how it was perfected, the heart transplant, and other transplantations that have helped people live a lot longer than they might have otherwise. So if you're a medical student, or if you're interested in medicine, this book certainly, The Essence of Invention, is really a book that you will find fascinating from first page to last. Like I said, I've had so many things happen to my body that have been mentioned in the book that I tip my cap to those who created these things to help me live longer as well too. So I hope you will look for this book. If you do purchase it, please let me know if you do agree with my review. So once again, I always thank you for watching my videos. Hopefully you do find them informative, and it helps you making your book choices. So I'll be back again with another excellent book. And until that time, stay safe, stay sane, stay in touch, and I will see you at the bookstore. Bye for now.